Here are the nicknames of the towns of Pangasinan. Onda, the mother of the 100 Islands. Agno, the home of Umbrella Rocks. Alaminos City, home of the 100 Islands. Bani, the watermelon capital of Pangasinan. Basista, home of the finest musicians. Bautista, home of the Lupang Hinirang. Bayambang, the fifth capital of the revolutionary Philippine Republic. Binalanan, the home of the popular Bina Longanisa. Binmoa, the seafood capital of Pangasinan. Bolinao, the giant clam capital of the Philippines. Burgos, the home of Cabangawang Beach. Calasiao, the Puto capital of the Philippines. Dagupan City, the milkfish capital of the world. And the Diamond City of the North. Dasal, the salt capital of Pangasinan. Lawak, Pangasinan's youngest municipality. Lingayen, the heart, the soul and the face of the province of Pangasinan. Malasaki, the Malunggay capital of Pangasinan. Manaoag, the pilgrim center of northern Philippines. Mangaldan, home of the Pindang Festival. Mangadarm, the largest municipality of Pangasinan. Mapandan, the home of the Pandan Festival. San Carlos City, the mango bamboo capital of the Philippines. And the linguistical center of the Pangasinan language. San Manuel, home of the largest dam in the Philippines. San Nicolas, the summer capital of Pangasinan. SANTO, TOMAS, the Guinness World Record holder for the longest barbecue. Paso Rubio, the home of the famous Patupat delicacy and the Patupat Festival. Sual, home of the Philippines' largest coal-powered plant. Tauyug, the home of the first sunflower maize in the Philippines. Umingan, the Calabasa capital of Pangasinan. Urdaneta City, the commercial and education center of eastern Pangasinan. Vilusis, the vegetable bowl of Pangasinan. Follow us for more.